I'm trying to show you how it's going to look. So I'm trying to sew this on to my upper. So keep watching and enjoy. And in advance, sorry for the noise of the sewing machine. I'll try to play some music over it when I edit. All right, guys, stay tuned. Or keep watching and enjoy. Just sew this part of the scrap onto the upper of the sandal. So let me do the other end right quick so I can move on to my next task. And what I'm doing is to make it secure. I'm making a stitch about back and forth about 2 to 3 times, so it'll be very tight. Parts of my thread, and then I'll show you. Don't want to be all scraggly. I'm showing you. guys, if you can see. And this part is going to go around the ankle of the foot. Right now it's around the ankle of the shoe last. But I will show you how it fits. So if you can see this, so that's the back of the ankle of the scrap on the shoe last. And here is the sides of it. Get my finger out the way. Okay. And I also, guys, these are going to be toe ring sandals with a scrap, and I wanted to also show you the design of the toe ring scrap. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. So that's the, I got two cameras going, guys, so when I go to edit, I'm trying to see which one looks best. Everyone knows editing is a beast. You always have your backup of two cameras going. So if something happened with one camera, you always have your backup, because when making shoes, you better have a backup camera going, because I've learned my lesson. It's a lot of parts I've missed from my shoe videos because I didn't have a second backup of a camera going. So I hope y'all can see that very good. Trying to get it in the light so you can see. So hopefully you can see that design I'm putting on the toe ring. Let me show you as I put it on the toe ring. If I can put it on the right side. All right. See if I can get a good grip here. I'm trying to hold two parts at one time. So hopefully you can see now that I have that around the toe ring. You can see the design on the toe ring. Alright guys, that's a little short video of me sewing the scraps onto the ankles, or the upper of the shoe last, of the upper of the sandal. And I will be back, so stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I need all the help I can get. I'm not to 100 subscribers yet, so please help me out. And also comment below, let me know what you think. I always appreciate it. Whether it's positive or negative, I always appreciate it. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'll be back.